Copy, 718.
604, keep it in close. Runway 8 right, clear touch and go. Wind 100 at 9er.
Clear touch and go, runway 8 right. We'll keep it in close for you first. So, Skyhawk 604.
Skyhawk 604, we're going to have a helicopter transiting east along 50 freeway, 1,300.
Skyhawk 604, we'll be looking for that traffic.
Skyhawk 604, you don't have to worry about him. That's why I'm pushing you in close. He's going to be transitioning east along the freeway. That's be at least half a mile away from him.
604, thanks. And just to confirm, we're clear touch and go 8 right.
Skyhawk 604, affirmative. Wind 120 at 10, runway 8 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 8 right for Skyhawk 604, thanks.
Skyhawk 718, you can pass on the east side of Ontario Airport on your way to Lake Arrowhead.
Passing east side of airport, 718.
Alright. Perfect on. We're clear to go. Clear touch and go 8 right. Keep it coming. Southwest jet's coming down the runway. Alright, they're back taxiing down 26, or 8 left in this case today. Oh, that right cross one here.
And Foxtrot Lima 718, are you going to be heading northbound anytime soon?
We could cut northbound now, 718.
Cut 718, roger. Yeah.
There's airspeed. Engine insuit's good. Engine's good. Positive rate.
Skyhawk 604, turn right, crosswind.
604, going into the right crosswind.
South 857 Ontario, tower 5 is ready.
We're ready, Southwest 857.
South 857, wind 090 at 8, runway 8 right, take off.
8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 857.
Skyhawk 604, traffic departing, runway 8 right, Boeing 737, provide traffic in sight.
604 departing 737 in sight.
Got Foxtrot Lima 718, counter below 2,500 approved.